We're at the Mooresville drag strip today, and we're going to see what the TDI Golf runs with a Malone Stage 1 tune.
Al's got the Golf about to go down the track. We're going to take some guesses on his time. Al, what's your guess?
Can I get a range? Is that
Nope, you gotta. It's closest to. It's closest to.
I'm gonna say at 10-3.
10-3. Kyle, what's
10-8?
10-8. I'll go in the middle. I'll call it 10-5. Now Mr. Bird is going next.
Yeah, we got 10-6 in the jet.
10-6. Wow. Al?
I guess 10-6. Yeah, I can see that.
I'm optimistic. I'll give you a 10-4.
We're out here in the staging lanes, getting ready to run. I'll be really surprised if I can get 10s out of it, honestly. It's got a lot of turbo lag in between shifts, and it's on stock fueling still, so it's still only making around 100 horsepower. Let's see what time we got. I don't know if I ran a 10. It didn't feel like a 10. You're more like an 11 flat, maybe. An 11.7. Oh, that's so bad. 64.38. Oh, that's so bad. 11.7.
That was really bad.
What do we think? What was the time?
11.7.
Yikes. What was the top speed?
65, almost.
Yikes.
My 60, I can bring my 60 foot down. That's what's really screwing me. How much? 60 foot's 3 seconds, which is bad.
That's tough.
Did you get it or no? I mean, yeah.
Alright, so we're in the stage lanes again. I'm going to try to get a better 60 foot this time. Maybe try to squeeze a lower 11 and maybe a high 10 out of it, but we'll see what happens. Felt better, but not by much. Definitely had a better launch, though.
Take it didn't print. You see what I ran?
11:47.
11.47.
Is that better?
That's a lot
What
better.
was your last one?
11.7.
That was better. What'd you do? What'd you do better this time?
That launch better.
Launch better?
Yeah,
More gas?
I just put it to the floor.
Attaboy.
Use launch.
There we go.
So this run was with the GTB 1756 as well as the Malone Stage 1 tune. It's good for about 110 horsepower, up from 90 to stock. Stock 0 to 60 for these cars at the 90 horsepower level is around 12.7 seconds. And we did get it down to 11.4 at 64 miles an hour. So we gained a mile an hour and lost over a second, which is pretty decent for a Stage 1 tune, if you ask me. All right, so after my 11.7 and 11.4, what do you think? What do you think you're gonna run?
I'll go with 11 flat.
11 flat?
Up in my time. 11-1.
11.1? I'll probably go with 11.2. I'll go with 11.2.
By God.
Let's see what happens.
This is Kyle's 2002 Jetta TDI. It wasn't automatic at one point, but it's been manual swap, so it does have the bigger 11mm pump. It also has 205 injectors as well as a VNT 17 turbo. I'm not entirely sure what tune it has on it since it didn't come with a tuner. However, we're thinking it has either a stage 1 or a 1.5 tune on it, something like that.
smoked his ass. Improved by 1.
Hey, you're pretty consistent though.
100.
10-1, huh? That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
71 miles an hour.
Not bad for the Colorado. Did you four-wheel drive launch?
I did, yeah.
It worked pretty good.
I didn't hear any spinning.
Hell yeah. For those of you that don't know, this is actually a baseline test for the Golf before we put the 280 injectors in. The 280 should actually almost double the horsepower, if not a little bit more than double it. Right now we're probably running around 100, and the 280s are good for around 220 wheel horsepower. But that's it for this video, and we'll see you on the next one.